Now that we are at the bottom of page 111, we are done with this week's lesson. At the bottom of page 111, it states that now you know 5 major keys in the second position, right? We've done the second position review: C, F, G, D, A. Now, if you are learning these fingering patterns, not just a key, we can move up the fret and play 5 major scales in our third position, 5 major scales in our fourth position, 5 major scales without using open strings in our first position. Now we're going to be playing these in these positions in the next pages, but we probably will not play all 5 major scales that are available in some of those positions, because we want to play the most common in each one of the positions first. As it says here, the following pages show the most used keys in the third, first, closed position, no open strings, and fourth position. You will be able to concentrate more on the notes, as by now your fingers should know the patterns. So before we go on to the next lesson, you should play fingering type 1, which is root with your second finger on the 5th string in the third position. Or the fourth position. Yes, you play the C scale, C sharp, or usually I call it D flat scale, and D scale. Another way to play D, because the root is in our second finger on the 5th string. Same thing goes for G major. Let's do fingering type 2. G major, root, second finger, 6th string. Up to the 3rd fret, A flat. Fourth position, A, another A scale. Actually, I shouldn't call it another A scale. What I should call it is another fingering for the A major scale. So go back and practice these major scales and play the second position review. Go back and play all these exercises. Review the speed studies, because they really go over the fingerings very well in these pages. And also work on all the sight reading exercises. You have enough of them that you don't have to repeat any of them for a few days.